Hello everyone, welcome to Workstatus. In this video, we are going to give you an information on the approval reports. For that, come up to the side menu, click on Report and click on Approvals. Here, you are landed to a screen where you can view the timesheets which are been mentioned and have been come up for your approvals. And you can even select the member name from here. Specific drop down, you can select the date range, you can have the data group by member or the date, and you can even select the status and have the report generated by clicking on generate report. Here on the screen you can see that on specific date, this is the member who has entered, and this is the project, the start time and the end time of the time entered, and the timesheet status it has been shown here. You can mention, you can always see that the approved and been denied at what time is going to mention here. These are the entries of the timesheet which has been come up for your approvals and what is the action taken by you. You can have the data group by member and group by date. You can filter out the data from here. You can send as an email, and you can have the data of the report scheduled as specific time and download as PDF and the CSV format. You can even select the specific member name instead of all members from this drop down, and you can select the date range for which you wish to see the data for from here. So this was all about the timesheet approval report. Thank you.